The Food Service Exchange presents.
Crown Verity presents this week's Recipe on the Grill.
Hi, I'm Steve Adams from Crown Verity Barbecues. Today we're cooking redfish on the half shell. If you've had a hard day at fishing and you want to make something fast, this is it. You take your fillet, take the scales off, but keep it on the skin. That's called the half shell. We're going to make a simple cilantro honey glaze, which is really easy. I've made most of it here. This is going to be a fast one. You've got the honey, cilantro, garlic, the zest of a lime. Right here, I'll just put a little bit in here. Oh yeah, that zest. That really makes it. Just kind of sets it off. I'm going to throw that on the grill for a sec, just to kind of caramelize it, reduce it down a little bit, and that's going to go on our redfish. Let's put that on direct heat just for a few minutes, just to blend and meld the flavors. Let's check our honey cilantro glaze. Oh yes, this is reduced nicely now. Look at that. What we're going to do is we're going to cook this over a medium heat, direct. And we're going to use a little pan, kind of like a little cheater pan. We're just going to oil the pan up like this so nothing sticks. Want to kind of crisp up the bottom on the redfish. Slide it in there. Nice. That's a nice fresh fish. We're going to spoon a little bit of the honey cilantro glaze on the top. Like this. Just like that. We're going to cook this medium heat. Oh geez, these are pretty skinny. I'm going to say these are going to go about 5 minutes, 6 minutes with the heat that I have right now. Hear that sizzle? Just finishing off the pickled coleslaw. This is a really yummy coleslaw that you can make ahead of time. Put in the fridge, last a few days. Let's see how this redfish on the half shell is doing. Oh, look at that. And the smell of the honey. See it caramelizing? This is hot, and this is good. This is a fast meal. You don't get any faster than this. Just do a little plating up here. You can eat the skin and everything because everything's clean. You've taken off the scales. This is piping hot. Just work it. See how that's flaking off? That's when it's ready. You don't need to put a probe in this one. You can kind of tell. There we are. Those crunchy bits, I'm going to eat those up. Yeah, look at that. Look at that skin. Let me just pull a little piece out for you right here. Look at that. That's all crunchy and caramelized. That's good. We can add a little bit more of the honey cilantro glaze. You can use it as a dipping sauce. That's perfect. Redfish on the half shell with a pickled coleslaw. You can't get any easier than that for fishing the flats.